Alright, I got the airplane. How do you feel about taking it up by yourself today? That intimidate you?
I've logged 25 hours of flight time since January of this year, and I've filmed every hour of it. Takeoffs, landings, stalls, comms, power, instruments, slips. Today is when it all became real. My first flight was January 12th, and everyone thereafter I felt right at home. I'm excited to be able to share and post my first solo in the Cessna 172. What do you think?
Well,
Bravo Alpha 7
unless your palms are so sweaty.
No, I mean, it's got to be done.
Yeah, you gotta kick out of the net at some point. What I'm hoping they can do is do the same thing, because Foxtrot 1-3 is right there. Keep you in a left pattern. They may give you a 360 or two, they may extend you, but they can keep you on this runway for 3 touch and goes, and then come back here.
3 of them?
Yeah, so 1, 2, and then on the third one is a 2 touch and goes and a full stop.
We'll follow Southwest, Delta 99.
3 landings. What do you think?
If you believe in me, I can do it.
I believe in you.
Cessna 9 Alpha Papa, Milwaukee Tower, make right traffic, runway 13, clear for takeoff.
Right traffic, 13, clear for takeoff, 9 Papa.
Colony 556, contact departure.
Departure, Colony 556, good day.
Cessna 9 Alpha Papa, runway 13, clear for the option.
13 option, 9 Papa. Wasn't bad. Not bad.
Cessna 9 Alpha Papa, runway 13, clear for the option.
13 option, 9 Papa.
Cessna 9 Alpha Papa, make left traffic.
Left traffic. This will be my last one for full stop. 9 Papa.
9 Alpha Papa, roger.
Juliet, more Milwaukee Tower, Southwest 834. We're left base, turn at the final here, 7 right. That guy in the pattern doing solo.
I believe so.
Looking good, buddy.
Appreciate it.
Milwaukee Tower, November 2698 Juliet, following southwest in for 07 right.
2690 Juliet, Milwaukee Tower, runway 7 right, clear to land, caution weight trim is following the 737 on a 4-mile funnel.
Clear to land, 7 right, 2698 Juliet.
And November 9 Alpha Papa, make a right 360 there, just for spacing, please.
Right 360, 9 Alpha Papa.
0 Juliet, Victor, contact departure.
Have a great day, thanks for all your help there, Jimmy.
Have a good day. Cessna 9 Alpha Papa, use caution weight trims from departed Global Express, runway 13, clear to land, and there's traffic just inside the 2-mile final for runway 7 right, 737.
Negative contact. Clear to land, 9 Alpha Papa.
Just verify runway 13, clear to land.
13, clear to land, 9 Alpha Papa.
Southwest 834, turn left at Tango, contact ground point 8.
Left turn Tango, point 8, Southwest 834.
You can make that left turn right there and contact ground point 8.
Ground point 8, thank you, 9 Alpha Papa.
Hey, congrats on that first solo.
Appreciate it, thank you. Oh. Oh man. Easy. Yeah, but
Ooh, nice work.
Thank you.
Congratulations, man.
thank you.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
this is a huge milestone.
Yeah.
Hopefully they don't forget.
Oh boy. Yeah, they weren't bad.
No, they
So,
really weren't. Dude, the second one was really good.
The second one was textbook.
Yeah, that was awesome.
The first,
First one was a little choppy. I thought maybe bounce there,
yeah, a little bounce.
Yeah.
And then the third one, did you see the 360 that I had to make?
but you got low, right?
Yeah, it was.
Here.
It was not great.